This is Debbie Curtin for Azusa Pacific University, Anatomy and Physiology, Bio 240, and today we are going to talk about digestion. So let's say for lunch you've got this big juicy cheeseburger sitting here and you're about to take a bite. Once you take that bite, digestion begins. That food enters your mouth where you begin chomping, cutting, chewing, using your tongue to manipulate the food, turning it over and over in your mouth. Saliva is beginning to be released. The saliva that is released contains amylase, and the amylase begins the chemical reaction that breaks down carbohydrates in the mouth. You continue to chew and manipulate that food. It becomes what we call a bolus. You will swallow it. It will enter the esophagus, which is the tube that goes to your stomach. It's the pathway from the mouth to the stomach. Once to the stomach, the food goes through another process of mechanical digestion because the stomach is moving it, churning it, beginning to mix it with some gastric acids and enzymes, and it now becomes a liquid called chyme. The food will sit here in the stomach for several hours while this process takes place. Once the process is complete, the chyme will leave. It will enter the small intestines where pepsin between the stomach and the small intestines is added. The pepsin breaks down protein. While in the small intestines, bile, which is made in the liver and delivered by the gallbladder, will begin to work on that chyme. Okay? It exits the small intestines after it has left its nutrients behind. The nutrients are going to pass through the intestine walls and enter the circulatory system. What's left is waste, bits and particles, and water. They'll move down now into the small intestines. Once they're in the small intestines, again, it's only water and undigestible parts. They're going to produce an important compound. That compound is called vitamin K. From here, it's going to be passed into the rectum. It is now called feces. The feces will be passed from the rectum to the anus and out of your body. That's what became of your cheeseburger for lunch this afternoon. Thank you.